So welcome back to another video on my channel Hackyourtechnology. If you are a multitasker, you definitely need to watch this video till the end. Alright, so let's get started. I'm sure your computer gets messed up when you do multiple work and don't even have a dual monitor. So here's a trick for you. What you need to do is press Windows plus Tab key. Now as you can see here, it is written New Desktop. So basically you get two or more than two desktop in a single PC. You can open some applications on desktop 1 and some on other, and I'm sure this will really help you a lot and make your work organized, just like this. I hope the simple keyboard shortcuts make your work easier. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, it takes just a second, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. And if you scroll Instagram a lot and love memes, you can follow me on Instagram. I upload amazing tech related memes there. Alright, I'll see you in the next video then.